In this video, I'll guide you through how to use sections on Substack so you can structure your posts in a clean, easy to read way. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get from a blank page to a neatly divided article that feels professional and organized. Let's start right at the beginning. Open your browser and go to substack.com. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to sign into your account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create it first. But once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can manage your publication and start new posts. From your dashboard, look for the option to create something new. This is usually labeled Create and is often near the top or side of the page. Go ahead and click on that. This is your main starting point every time you want to publish something on Substack. After you click Create, you'll see a few different content options. Today, we're focusing on written posts, so click on Article. This opens up the main editor where you'll be doing all your writing, formatting, and organizing. Once the editor loads, the first thing you'll notice is a space for your title at the top. Click into that field and type the main headline for your piece. Think of this as the big, bold line that tells readers what your article is about. Right below it, you'll usually see an optional subtitle field. This is a great place to add a little more context or a short description that draws readers in. For example, if your title is broad, the subtitle can clarify who the article is for or what specific angle you're taking. With your title and subtitle set, you're ready to start writing the body of your article. Click into the main text area and begin typing. You can write your full draft here or paste content in if you've written it somewhere else. As you write, try to think about the flow of your ideas. Sections work best when each one has a clear purpose, like introducing a topic, explaining a concept, or wrapping up with a conclusion. Now let's add some structure using sections. At the top right of the editor, you'll see a menu or set of icons. Look for the option labeled More and click on it. This usually opens a small drop-down menu with extra formatting tools that aren't visible by default. In that menu, find and click on Divider. When you select this, Substack will insert a horizontal line into your article at the exact point where your cursor is. That line is your section divider. Everything above it becomes one section, and everything you write below it feels like the start of a new section. You can repeat this process anywhere in your article where you want a clear break. Place your cursor where a new section should begin, click on More, and then click Divider again. Use these dividers to separate your introduction, main points, examples, and conclusions so readers can easily follow your thinking from start to finish. When you're happy with your sections and content, you're ready to move on to saving, previewing, and eventually publishing your article. But now you know how to use Substack's divider tool to create clear, readable sections that make your writing more engaging and easier to navigate.